Hey, in front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th-gen, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, click on On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, and then Theme. Now you can scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. You can select it from recent files, from one of those apps, or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner from one of those sources, like Downloads, Finally, you can pinch your photo to scale it and drag it to move it. When you're done, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!